Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the back loop single crochet. When worked in rows like this, it gives you what's called a crochet ribbing, and it's great for making the ribbing in hats and gloves, but it can be used in any crochet projects anywhere you want the texture, or if you need a little more stretch, it has a very nice stretch to it. So the back loop single crochet is the same as a single crochet, except that it's worked into the back loops only. So to get started, we're just going to chain one and turn. And instead of working into both loops like we normally would for a regular single crochet, we're only going to pick up these back loops here. So we're only going to go into those loops. So we're just going to insert our hook into the first back loop here. Okay, I'm going to wrap the yarn over and pull through just like in a regular single crochet. And we got two loops on the hook. We're going to wrap the yarn over again and pull through. And that's our first back loop single crochet. And since we only caught the back loop, we got the free loop here, which is what gives you that beautiful ribbed texture. So we're going to do that again. We're just going to go into the next stitch and we're going to catch that back loop, wrap the yarn over and pull through, wrap the yarn over and pull through again.